Hello guys, good evening. So my name is Jolly. I am a mom, a wife, and a freelancer because I am a virtual assistant as well. So actually this is my first time uploading a video on YouTube kasi nag-upload talaga ako ng video sa Facebook, and I started making videos back in 2020 pa. So during pandemic. So doon talagang everyday nag-upload ako ng videos on Facebook. Pero nung nag-start na maging okay, nung naging maluwag na after pandemic, parang dahil parang naging busy na rin sa work, so nawala na sa akin yung pag-upload ng video, and naging busy na in life because I became a wife, and after that I got pregnant, and naging busy na rin sa pag-alaga ng baby, and of course aside pa doon, I am also working. But I've always wanted to, alam mo yun, to share videos or make videos about life. Kasi yun naman talaga yung sinishare ko before. And now, I came across dun sa isang video sa YouTube din na parang na-inspire ako to make videos again. Kasi sabi niya, what are the things daw that is parang holding you back to do the things that you want to do if yung buhay daw natin ay alam natin kung gaano kaikli lang, mag-hesitate pa ba tayo na gawin yung mga bagay na gusto natin gawin. Parang napaisip ako, o nga no, what if, di ba, hindi naman ganun kahaba yung buhay ko. Kasi most of the time, nasa-stuck tayo sa isang, nasa-stuck tayo in life because we are thinking na kapag gumawa tayo ng something that we love, parang iniisip natin na ano yung iisipin ng tao or ano yung masasabi ng ibang tao. Parang we're always thinking about other people, diba? Instead of doing what we want to do. So, yun yung parang nag-stuck sa akin while watching that video. Kaya sabi ko, nga no, why not making a video again? Wala namang masama because I'm just sharing my life, sharing about motherhood, sharing about yung life of being a wife, and of course yung pag-work, yung paano natin na-handle as a mom and as a wife, and at the same time nag-work din tayo. So those are the things that I want to share, and hopefully matuloy-tuloy ko siya because this is, I think, what I love to do. Alam yun, to share the things na na-experience ko din in day-to-day living. So yun lang. Actually, I am doing this video while my little one is asleep kasi kakatulog niya lang din, and yun nga, napadaan ako dun sa video na to, and na-inspire talaga ako dun sa mga shinare niya. That's why I decided to start making a video again, and I think tonight is the night na mag-start na ako to share a video, and I hope na kahit papano meron din kayong makuha dun sa mga mai-share ko. Well, that's the purpose naman, diba? Parang just to share lang, and we will never know na merong someone that we will also be inspiring with, or kumbaga meron ding makukuha dun sa mga sinishare natin. So that's all, and I hope na magkita-kita pa tayo on my next video. Thank you, and have a great night kasi gabi na, magto-12 na yata. Good night guys, and God bless.